Every year, millions of people dream of starting their own business, but only a tiny percentage ever take action, and an even smaller number actually succeed. Why? Because starting a business feels like standing at the base of a giant mountain with no map, no guidance, and no idea where the first step even starts. But today, that changes. Because in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the fastest, simplest, and most powerful way to turn your idea into a real business that can make money even while you sleep. Let's begin. Before we dive in, you need one critical mindset shift. Business is not a giant puzzle you must solve all at once. Business is simply a chain, and the money only flows as fast as the tightest bottleneck. Solve the bottleneck right in front of you, and you unlock the next level. This is called the theory of constraints, and it's the secret framework behind the world's most successful companies. So let's apply it. Your very first bottleneck is legitimacy. Until your business is official, you don't have a business. You have an idea. So your first step is simple. Register your LLC. Get your tax documents, set up a business bank account, and gather any licenses or permits you might need. Don't overthink it. You're not building a legal fortress. You're just getting in the game. Once your business is registered, everything changes. People start to take you seriously. You can send invoices, you can get paid, and you can operate professionally. Just like that, you've unlocked your first level. Now, your next bottleneck is visibility. You can have the best idea in the world, but if nobody knows you exist, your business is invisible. The fastest way to fix this: a launch. And no, you don't need a perfect logo, an expensive website, or flawless branding to do it. A launch simply means you post content on social media, you tell your friends, you message potential clients, you run a few small ads, you email everyone you know, and you ask people who know people who know people. Create a moment. Make some noise. Announce your business to the world. Congratulations. Now, your business isn't just real on paper. It's real in people's minds. The hype from your launch will fade, and that's totally normal. Now you need to solve the next bottleneck. Consistent revenue. This is where your steady version of a launch begins. First, build a simple landing page that clearly explains what you offer. Then, start creating weekly content. Run small, consistent ads to drive traffic. Follow up with any leads you get. And don't forget to ask for referrals from your happy customers. You don't need hundreds of customers. You don't even need 100. Most businesses only need 5 to 50 consistent buyers to become profitable. Once you have that steady flow, your business becomes real. You're earning. You're proving the idea works. At this point, you'll face your next bottleneck. You can't sell, deliver, create, market, and manage everything forever. So, the next step is to build a small core team. I'm not talking about hiring 10 employees or having a giant payroll. Just someone to help with marketing, someone to help with operations, someone to assist with sales, and maybe someone for bookkeeping or customer service. Even just one contractor can unlock massive growth, because when someone else can sell for you, you no longer have a hustle. You have a company. As your team grows, chaos appears. This is the moment most businesses collapse because they don't have systems. Your next step is to build simple, repeatable processes for everything you do. How you onboard new customers, how you deliver your service or product, how you handle support requests, how you fulfill orders. These systems don't need to be fancy or complicated. They just need to work. Once your systems are in place, your business stops running you and starts running itself. You've tamed the chaos. At T-Stage your business is stable, but it's not at full power yet. Now you face the growth constraint. Your job becomes that of an architect. This means improving your existing systems, expanding into new marketing channels, launching new products or services, tightening up your operations, and learning critical skills like leadership and negotiation. You'll start finding strategic partners and expanding your network. This is the level where businesses go from just working to growing automatically. You're no longer putting out small fires. You're building the machine that builds the machine. Eventually, you'll reach the final bottleneck. It happens to every founder. You might reach a market you don't understand, face challenges that require skills you don't have, or simply find that the company has outgrown your role as its leader. This is the point where you have a choice to make. You can bring in someone more skilled to take the company to the next level, or you can sell the company and cash out. Both are wins. Both are signs of success. Because you built something real, and that, my friend, is how you start and scale a profitable business fast. If you're serious about building wealth and leveling up your income, subscribe now. We create content designed for people who want more out of life. I'll see you in the next video.